Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Lincoln MKX. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lincoln has less than 94,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.